Hey, Klaus here. In this video, I want to talk about one way I help my clients in scaling and optimizing their online business to get them to the next level. So let's dive right into it. Okay, in this graphic, you're going to see one part of my triangle model where you can basically get an overview of how I help my clients in optimizing and scaling their online retail business. So starting from the center, we have here what we want to achieve. That's the final goal. One thing that I see in pretty much all of my clients is that when they approach me, they're distracted, they're confused, they're overwhelmed by running an online business, trying to get to the next level, try to grow the business. Most likely, you can just describe this whole situation as the shiny object syndrome. Most business owners, entrepreneurs, store owners have just too many moving parts in their business, and they do not really know where to start and how to focus on the right things to get them further on in their business. So what we want to do is, obviously, in this part, we want to achieve a clarity on what works, and we want to get focused on basically putting this in place. Now, where I usually have to start with is looking into the key performance indicators. We want to have a baseline where we're starting from. We want to see what's already working or what's not working at all. So it's diving into the numbers and getting an idea what's happening in your business right now. It goes a little further than that because we're also looking into what's happening with your competitors. So we want to get their key performance indicators there so that we sort of can compare this with our business and get a feeling is like, what are they doing, what's working for them, and then basically sort of re-engineer things that we might adopt to our business. Next one is conversion research. We want to find out, is there any roadblocks, is there any problems within the sales funnel, within the conversion funnel, on the store, in the marketing process that prevents people visiting your site, reading your newsletters, and so on and so forth, converting into buyers. So we're diving really deep into that and trying to find out, is there anything there? And then obviously mindset and motivation is a point. As I said, people are all over the place. And then this is obviously a very tiring situation. Distraction and confusion is very exhausting over time. So I want to get my customers to a point where they can achieve in the shortest period of time, in my case, in 90 days, to achieve a mindset, and with that obviously coming the motivation to really focus on the things that work, to move the needle within these 90 days in your business, and then taking it from there. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, then let me know, and I see you in the next video.